Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. This in this video, I'm gonna be going over Livegood. All right, and also a update on my progress as well too. So we're gonna go over it. So these are the websites that they give you in the program, and the company is really growing, as you can see down at the bottom here. The recent pre-enrollees. So this is just literally by the second. So it is growing and out of control. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go over to my genealogy. The matrix, my matrix hasn't filled up yet, but it will at more than likely at the next cutoff. And I'm gonna go to the power line here, and these are all the paid members in the system. Okay, and here's all my referrals that I got in so far. All right, so I pre-enrolled 15 people here. All right, and the company, the good thing about that is the company is going to do all the follow-up for me and send them emails and notify them every time of the cutoff on every Thursday night. All right, and so what I'm going to do now, let's see here. I'm going to go over to the compensation plan, and there's going to be 6 ways to get paid. That it's going to be the first one is your weekly fast start commissions. That's anyone who you get in, you're going to get paid right away. All right, now to join, it's a one-time $49.95. There's no auto ship, and then after that, it's just only $9.95 a month. Okay, and whoever you get in, you get a $25 commission. All right, and then like I said, the matching bonus on level 1. On regardless of levels, you get a 50% matching bonus. Level 2, you get a 10% matching bonus from bronze to diamond. Okay, and then level 3, from silver to diamond, you get a 5% matching bonus. Level 4, it's the same, 5% matching bonus, and then level 5, you would get a 3% matching bonus on gold. Okay, and that's all the way to diamond, and that goes all the way down to 10 levels just for diamond though. Okay, and then you get your matrix commissions. Okay, so on your matrix commissions, the good thing about this is regardless if you got the person in or not, if you referred them or not, if they're paid member in your matrix, you'll get paid on them 2.50%. Okay, 2.5%. So, and then you get, if your matrix gets filled up, you get over $2,000 a month. And then if you recruit even more people, just recruiting 2 people will get you over $4,000 per month. Okay. And then let's see. And then you get the matching bonus. Wait, hold on. Let me go back up. So you get the matching bonus. So if you get any personally enrolled people, you get a 25% matching bonus as an unranked member, and then as a bronze member, you get a 50% matching bonus. That's whatever they make in the company, you'll get half of that in on the first level. Okay, and then the retail commissions. If you happen to sell any of our great products that we have in our company, you'll get paid on that as well too, and that also goes 10 levels deep. All right, so let's see, and then also they have the influencer bonus for affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale. You will earn additional bonuses on all that volume. In fact, you'll earn up to 100% of the difference between the member price and the retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. Okay, and there's the chart for that as well too. And then so last but not least, the diamond bonus pool. If you hit diamond, our affiliates are a huge part of the success for our company. We recognize that, and we want to reward you even more by following you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve diamond rank, you will share up to 2% of all total company sales every month. Okay, and that's the 2% split between all qualified diamond rank members. And that is definitely huge. Okay, so this company is taking over for 2023. Now, if you are interested in becoming a member and taking the free tour, go ahead and click the link below.